Hey guys, this is New Year's Eve, and we're here, and we're watching all the fireworks.
I guess this is one.
Maya, where's the iPad? The iPad!
So we'll get that. So yeah, there was like a lot going on, guys. It's really foggy. I'm really confusing thing because it's pretty cold on my breath. So it's kind of, and it's dark, so I'm trying to breathe it or talk it. And stuff. It's probably, you probably can't see me good. See right there.
Somebody just missed one.
You guys missed it too. Only saw like half of it. I think I'm bleeding. Oh no, when I was rushing out here, I hit the this thing. I hit the glass door. I think they're done.
You hear some
I hear something.
fireworks? Whoa!
Oh, there's something going on over there. We're gonna go on the trampoline for you guys.
Oh, look at it! Look at this!
I wanna go on the trampoline for you guys so you guys can check it out because it's probably on the.
This is really fun.
Shh! There's a baby next door, you stupid. So yeah, it's really cool outside. Somebody's really excited. So it was like that.
Do not jump. Do not jump.
We're not.
Jump and if you guys jump and she drops my stuff on this thing, I'm gonna be mad.
Don't be watching the fireworks. Hi, Grandpa.
Wait, Smile.
I want it.
Wait.
Land.
Okay, here. Okay, you guys are both recording. Do
This is for YouTube.
Okay, Smile.
I have a YouTube channel.
Record.
Okay.
Okay, not now. Turn it off.
Where they're at.
What?
Off.
Where did all the noise from over there?
Turn it off.
No, it's
Smile.
over there.
Smile, turn it off. You're not recording yet. Turn it off. It's not. No, turn it off right there. See.
Oh, I think you guys just missed it. I don't know. Okay. So yeah, it's really
No.
cool. The reason why we're on the frozen
Okay. Now, when you want to
trampoline
record,
is because there's some over there,
hit that and you record it.
over there,
Do not
over
drop the
there,
iPad.
and a lot over there, and we hear
No, wait.
noises over here, but
It's
we
gonna be
can't
dark.
see them.
So do not jump because I do not want her to drop my stuff. All right. So you guys record.
I think I'm bleeding.
All right. Have fun.
Yep. So I'm waiting here. That's a lot.
Okay, so
So there's just like noises.
there's so many noises, and today,
Oh, we just missed one.
and so,
Cause I couldn't hear it.
and then we come after when we are, and then,
I couldn't record it
okay, so
on my YouTube channel.
then we are looking at fireworks.
She's recording for my YouTube channel. I'm also recording for my YouTube channel. We're both recording for our YouTube channels. Really awesome. So we're just waiting. It's a lot of work.
We're just waiting for.
You probably can't see it, but it's like really far away because there's some people that are doing it on the mountains. You can't see it because it's also dark out there. So. We hear them coming. We just can't see them because of all the fog.
So today it's very icy out.
Okay, so there's some in the backyard, so we're gonna go show you in the front yard. I hear a lot in the front yard, and we just hear like a really big, huge boom. So we're gonna go in the front yard for you guys. So let's go.
Front yard.
So Mom, shut the door behind you. Okay, let's go. Okay. lot out here. I agree, I like a lot. Huh.
I'm going in the bush.
Yeah, she's in the bushes right now. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
Don't stand on that bush. She's climbing on the bush. I guess there's none out here. There's none. Maybe they're done? Oh, I just heard something.
There is fireworks right now.
Yeah, there's fireworks. Go. Oh!
I see one.
Come on, you probably shouldn't see them there. I'm trying to hold it up. I'm trying to hold it up. Kiki?
And then
Yeah.
the one.
Everything's frozen.
So cool. Watch this.
So there's really nothing going on, it looks like. My hands are freezing. I think you guys just saw that. I don't know, that probably was your first firework act with your experience of my fun. Well, watching my YouTube channel. So I'm sorry guys that we couldn't do the Christmas special. Cause I woke up at 6:30 and I just didn't have time to get on my phone because I think I lost it. Like it was in my pillow, but I thought I lost it. So we couldn't do the Christmas special. But when I do get all my things back, my mom's looking for them. I do get all my things back. I could show you what I got, but I can't put everything like in a stocking and stuff. But and something I've already ate and something that I already thrown away, so that probably wouldn't be a good idea to do. Okay, well, I'm sorry that you guys weren't. There wasn't like a lot of fireworks, but we love you, and I have a part 2. So love you guys. Peace
Peace.
on the streets.
Peace on
Sun.
Peace on
Bye guys. Love you.